Creating a new AGILE A/B test design is easy with the AGILE A/B testing calculator at Analytics-Toolkit.com. To begin with, choose a descriptive name for your test. Then, choose a data source. Use the Google Analytics option if your A/B testing software pushes data to your Google Analytics account using custom dimensions to differentiate between users or sessions exposed to different test variants. Otherwise, choose the manual input option, which will allow you to manually enter data from any A/B testing software. Moving on to basic parameters. Check your historical conversion rate for the control you're using and enter it into the baseline conversion rate field. It is important that this number is accurate, otherwise some parameter estimations may be off. Then, input the smallest relative percentage lift you'd be pleased to be able to detect at your desired error tolerance levels. This should be a difference you would not like to miss if it exists. Then, select the confidence level you want to have. This corresponds to the statistical significance of the test and should be higher when the cost of incorrectly declaring a winner is higher. Select the desired chance to detect effect, also called statistical power or sensitivity. It controls the false negative error. The bigger the cost of performing the test, the larger chance to detect effect you should choose. Select the number of variants you will be running against the control in this test. Finally, choose an approximate number of interim analyses you'd like to perform on the data. The actual number of analyses can differ without affecting the properties of the test, but it is better to have a realistic number of analyses selected. If you're confident in your knowledge of the AGILE testing method, choose the type of utility boundary you'd like to use as well as the power calculation type. Disjunctive is for detecting at least one winning variant, while conjunctive is calculated against the probability of detecting all winning variants. Press Evaluate Design. You will see different characteristics for the specified design. The most important one is the average and maximum expected AGILE sample size. You should plan your test based on the maximum AGILE sample size. If it is not reasonable due to the test taking too long, you should go back and reconsider some of the design parameters, like the minimum effective interest, the confidence level, and the chance to detect effect. Evaluate the design with several sets of parameters before you choose the one which strikes a good balance between certainty and time to run the test. The boundary and spending function graphs are mostly for reference and there is no need to spend much time on them. Press Save Test Design to save your new test. Once saved, the data gathering process can begin and you can start monitoring the results. See our other videos on how to do that.